Welcome to this week's edition of Fingerprinting Gurus. I am Tommy Watkins, your instructor, here for an exciting new topic. Before diving into this week's subject matter, I kindly request that you support our content by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Our content aims to assist you in advancing your entrepreneurial ventures, particularly in the ink card fingerprinting business and the mobile ink card fingerprinting industry. Without further ado, let us explore this week's topic, avoiding pitfalls in the fingerprinting business. Learn from the mistakes. Understanding how not to make money in the fingerprinting business is as important knowing its successful strategies. Here are some pitfalls to avoid. Ignoring legal and regulatory compliance. Neglecting to stay up to date on local, state, and federal regulations regarding fingerprinting can lead to legal issues and damage your business reputation. Next would be poor customer service. Fingerprinting services often involves dealing with individuals who may be stressed or in sensitive situations. Poor customer service can lead to results of negative reviews, reducing client trust, and loss of business. Next will be inadequate data security measures. Failing to implement robust data security measures can lead to breaches, compromising sensitive information. This can result in legal consequences, financial loss, and damages to your company credibility. Next will be limited service offering. Relying solely on traditional fingerprinting service without adapting to technological advancements or expanding related areas can limit your revenue. Failing to diversify may indeed stagnate your business. Ignoring technological advances. Fingerprinting technology is continually evolving. Ignoring advancements and sticking with the outdated methods can make your service less competitive and less appealing to potential clients. Inadequate marketing and branding. Neglecting to market efforts can leave your business unnoticed. Poor branding and lack of strong online presence may result in missed opportunities and slower growth. Lack of employee training. Fingerprinting requires skilled technicians. If your employee lack proper training and certification, it can lead to inaccuracies, dissatisfaction among clients, and potential legal issues. Next will be overlooking competition. Failing to monitor the competitive landscape can result in prices in your service inadequate or offering outdated features. Keep an eye on industry trends and competitors to stay relevant. Ignoring customer feedback. Ignoring customer feedback, whether positive or negative, can hinder improvement. Pay attention to customer suggestions and criticism and enhance your service and address any shortcomings. Not building trust. Trust is crucial in the fingerprinting business. Failing to maintain and trust with the client can lead to the loss of business. Be transparent, ethical, and prioritize customers' confidentiality. Underestimating training costs. Cutting corners on employee training to save costs can lead to errors, inefficiencies, and potential legal liabilities. Invest in adequate training to ensure high quality service. Overpromising and under-delivering. Making unrealistic claims about the capabilities of your fingerprinting service can lead to disappointed clients. Be transparent about your services can achieve manage client expectations. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can position your fingerprinting business for long-term success and sustainability. Regularly reassess your business strategies to adapt the change to stay in the industry, to be industry competitive. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this content.